Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The Porsche Cayman GT4 RS is a pure expression of driving perfection, the ultimate embodiment of Porsche's motorsport DNA distilled into a compact mid-engine masterpiece. Every inch of this car screams performance and precision. It's not just another sports car. It's a machine crafted for those who live for the thrill of every corner, for those who crave the sound of a high-revving engine echoing through mountain passes and racetracks alike. The Cayman GT4 RS is where engineering artistry meets unfiltered power, designed not to please the crowd, but to satisfy the driver's soul. From the very first glance, it's clear that this car is built for speed. Its stance is aggressive yet refined, with aerodynamics sculpted by purpose. The huge air intakes, the widened wheel arches, and the massive fixed rear wing all serve one goal: to make this Cayman the most track-focused model in the lineup. It's lighter, sharper, louder, and faster than anything that came before it, and it wears its RS badge with pride. The design of the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS captures the perfect blend of function and beauty. The front fascia is dominated by large air ducts and a reimagined front splitter, improving downforce while channeling cooling air to the brakes. The lightweight carbon fiber hood features integrated Nexier ducts for additional cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Every surface of the GT4 RS has been engineered to cut through air with surgical precision, with details like the side blades and redesigned rear diffuser working in harmony to keep the car stable at extreme speeds. The signature swan neck rear wing isn't just a visual statement. It's a direct transfer of technology from Porsche's GT3 racing program, delivering up to 25% more downforce than the standard GT4 at top speed. The lightweight magnesium wheels, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, give the car a purposeful stance and connect it intimately with the road. Finished in iconic Porsche colors, from shark blue to Arctic gray, the GT4 RS looks like it's ready to leap off the starting line even when parked. Underneath the sculpted bodywork lies the heart of this beast, the naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine borrowed from the 911 GT3. It's a masterpiece of engineering, producing a staggering 493 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque. What makes it truly special, though, is not just the numbers, it's the experience. The engine revs to an astonishing 9,000 RPM, delivering an intoxicating soundtrack that's pure mechanical symphony. Every blip, every roar, and every downshift is visceral, reminding you why Porsche still believes in the power of natural aspiration in an era of turbocharged engines. The Cayman GT4 RS can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 196 mph. Power is delivered through Porsche's lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, offering instantaneous shifts that keep the driver fully immersed in the action. Each gear change feels perfectly timed, whether you're chasing lap records on the Nürburgring or carving through winding mountain roads. And yet, what makes this car truly addictive is its precision. The mid-engine layout provides perfect weight balance, allowing the GT4 RS to dance through corners with agility that feels almost telepathic. Steering feedback is razor-sharp. The brakes are brutally effective, and the suspension tuning transforms every road into an extension of your intent. The interior of the Cayman GT4 RS is where track-ready minimalism meets Porsche craftsmanship. It's designed for the purist. The lightweight door panels, carbon fiber bucket seats, and Alcantara surfaces remind you that this is a car born from motorsport. The steering wheel is trimmed in Alcantara for perfect grip, and the PDK paddles sit exactly where your fingers expect them to be. The instrument cluster keeps things analog and emotional, dominated by a central tachometer that urges you toward the 9,000 RPM red line. Even though it's stripped for performance, there's no shortage of luxury. Every material feels premium, every detail thoughtfully executed. The GT4 RS badge is subtly placed throughout the cabin, a constant reminder that you're sitting inside something extraordinary. Optional features like the Weissach package push the interior even further toward race car territory, adding titanium roll bars, carbon components, and a stunning visual aesthetic that screams performance from every angle. Beneath the surface, Porsche's engineering brilliance truly shines. The GT4 RS features adaptive suspension with Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM), allowing the driver to fine-tune the car's setup for track or road. The chassis is stiffened, the ride height lowered, and the aerodynamics refined to maintain balance at all speeds. Lightweight materials are used throughout: carbon fiber, aluminum, and reinforced plastics to achieve an impressive curb weight of just over 3,000 pounds. This obsessive focus on weight reduction enhances every aspect of the car's performance, from acceleration to braking to handling precision. The brakes themselves are derived directly from Porsche's motorsport program, offering consistent stopping power even under extreme conditions. Carbon ceramic brakes are available for those who demand ultimate performance. The result is a car that feels alive in your hands, responsive, communicative, and endlessly thrilling. Every drive in the Cayman GT4 RS is a sensory experience. The intake system is placed right behind the driver's head, amplifying the sound of the engine as it inhales deeply with every press of the throttle. You can feel the vibrations through the seat, the raw mechanical connection between engine and chassis that's rare in modern cars. This isn't a car that isolates you. It engages you, challenges you, and rewards you. It feels every bit as special on a racetrack as it does on a mountain road. Porsche has managed to take the precision of the Cayman platform and elevate it to GT-level performance, creating a car that can rival supercars costing twice as much. On the Nürburgring Nordschleife, the GT4 RS completed a lap nearly 23 seconds faster than the standard GT4, proving its credentials in the most demanding testing ground on Earth. But beyond the numbers, what truly defines the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS is emotion. It's a car that captures the essence of driving pleasure, the sound, the feedback, the connection. It's proof that even in a world moving toward electrification, there's still a place for raw, naturally aspirated performance. Every time you fire up that flat six, every time you feel the steering come alive in your hands, you're reminded of why enthusiasts love Porsche. The GT4 RS is not about comfort or convenience, it's about purity, focus, and the celebration of mechanical excellence. Owning a GT4 RS isn't just about having a fast car. It's about being part of Porsche's legacy. It's about understanding what makes driving an art form. It's a machine that communicates in ways words can't fully describe. The grip, the throttle response, the cornering balance, all of it combines to create a car that feels like an extension of your will. The Cayman GT4 RS is for those who want to experience driving in its purest, most exhilarating form. It's not about luxury. It's about love for the road. In a world full of digital distractions and autonomous vehicles, the GT4 RS stands as a defiant reminder that driving can still be raw, analog, and utterly thrilling. The Porsche Cayman GT4 RS isn't just a car, it's a statement of passion, precision, and performance.